Today is August 5th, 2023, and we're down at the Seattle waterfront. This is a public Pike Place Market, and we're looking for a parking spot so we can go down to the waterfront and get onto one of the warship tour. This is during the what do they call it? The summer fair, part of the Seattle summer fair. Seafair. Yeah, this is part of the Seattle Seafair. That's happening all throughout the region, and we're in a lot of traffic. It's a traffic mess down here. Lots of people down here, so finding a parking space is gonna be tricky here. Let's see if we can find a parking space soon. Another parking lot is full. Another parking spot on the right, you see the neon green cones. Yeah, it's full. All right, there's a parking lot right here on the right behind this blue truck. It's not blocked off, so hopefully there's a parking space here.
Do you want to park here?
Yes,
If we park here, then we definitely won't make it.
We're down to the waterfront right now. Yeah, the viaduct up the yesteryears is gone. They took it down. So this is the Alaskan way without the viaduct now.
Turn right to stay on Alaskan Way South.
So our aim is Pier 46, and we wanna. Oh, that's the ship tours. Okay.
In 600 feet, use the right lane to turn right to stay on Alaskan Way South.
I just saw the sign. Ship tour. Which ship is this?
Can't see any of them yet.
Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay. Are we on the right track at all? Should we turn there? Oh, I think we missed something. I think we missed the...
Yeah, the sign told us we're down.
This is Pier 46 right here. The engines we must have passed the engines. That was a sign on it.
Yeah, there's a sign saying. That's what I was saying now.
I see a Coast Guard ship on the right, red and white. So maybe we're on the right track. Yeah, I think we're on the right track. We're not.
They did say Pier 46 South, so this is.
We're
south.
not lost. Oh, there's Pier 46 right there on the right. Okay, here we go. Wow. Wow. Alrighty. Let's turn right. Yep, ship tour. Yeah, it would have been a long, long walk. Okay.
Vendors, truckers. This is for truckers. That is for vendors.
Oh, wait a minute. We have to get here. Let's see. Wait, how do we get in there? Or is it blocked off? How do we get?
Just let me on the way up.
Oh, I think it's maybe closed. Is it over?
Yeah, they go until 3.
3? Okay, it's closed. Oh, must be the gate, right? Can you want to hop out and ask? How'd it go?
Huh?
Hello.
Hi. So are the boat tours closed right now? Yeah. Are they closed? Are they closed right now?
They close at 4.
4?
Oh.
Really? That's not what it says on the website. Do you know where you could find parking?
Supposed to be outside. Like,
Oh,
it's not addressed, it's going to be outside.
Oh,
Okay.
so we have to park out there and then walk in? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna have to find a parking space somewhere around here. And then we're gonna walk over. The tour is open until 4 o'clock. So that's good. Okay, we just found a parking space and we're ready to go.
And then windows.
All right. We just parked the car right behind the T-Mobile Park Stadium. Yeah, those two stadiums of baseball and football and whatnot. Oh, we're crossing here? Okay. So we're crossing here and we're gonna go over there. Yeah, we can see the ship from here. Yeah, that's downtown Seattle right there. And this is the Seattle's waterfront. There's some cranes up here. And we're crossing the street, Alaskan Way here. You can see the ship right in front, and there's also a ship on the left. Yeah. There's the ship tour signage. Okay, I think we're at the entrance now.
Okay.
This is the ship tour.
Did you want to go take pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Just
We just can't. Yes.
Okay. I say that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, is this the entrance to the ship tour?
Yeah, ship tour is over.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so you can't
Oh.
go on the ship anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, they cut the line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because what's the word? Because it's gonna extend past the closing time.
Oh,
There's
okay.
still a lot of people.
But it's still open here off the ship until 4 o'clock? Or something
still
like
four?
that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we still can go in there.
You can go in, but you're not gonna get on the ship.
Right.
Yeah.
And is camera allowed? Videotaping is allowed?
Yes. To an
It's
extent.
it's not
said
forbidden.
No close-up photography of the ship, and you guys can't get on the ship now. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so.
that's
All right,
fine.
thank you. All right, ready?
It's one of those fires rounds.
Okay, so touring on the ship is closed now. But we still can get in here and look at the ship from afar. There's a destroyer over there.
Oh damn, where's my glasses?
Oh, it's in the van.
Oh damn.
Tại hôm qua ba thấy rồi nhưng mà ba nói thôi để trong xe ngày mai đi. And then bữa nay trời không nắng rồi ba quên. There's a helicopter. Oh wait, that's a Chinook. That's a Chinook in front of us. So what's the tour ship tour time for the destroyer over there? I'm talking about a destroyer over there.
Is that... If it's Canadian, which I'm not sure if it is.
And here's the U.S. Coast Guard. And there's something else here too, right?
There's Coast Guard, the Canadians, and the Navy. The Navy closes at noon. Closes their tours at noon.
So the Coast Guard and the Navy, and then what is that Navy? The destroyer?
No idea. Could be Canadian or US. Yeah, Navy.
That's the Navy. Oh,
There's that weird flag.
oh, we can actually walk. We can enter here and walk all the way over there. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, we toured the cutter. Was it last year? Some time ago.
I think it was last. Hey, what's this?
There's a helicopter. I wish.
Search and rescue.
Not sure you want to take a look. I wish I have a zoom on this camera. A closer glimpse of the destroyer over there. Oh, there's a couple more ships around here. And I think we're gonna take a look at this helicopter over here. Okay, come. You go ahead and you ask questions you like to ask. Hello there. The propeller. Yeah, you want to ask about this thing? Oh, there's another Chinook over there. What is the long nose for? What's the long nose for that on that Chinook?
To refuel.
Oh, refueling. Is that a Chinook?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. You know anything about this? You do? You want to do some narration or something? Because I definitely know nothing about it.
Oh, whoa.
There's a nose. Huh?
You can look down. It's got a little.
Oh, this window?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And you. Okay, let's walk around. Okay. Let's get a 360 view of the helicopter. It is search and rescue. You're right. It does say search and rescue here. So you know this stuff, don't you? You want to get on?
The kids want to be on your too, so I'll speak like that. Right here, Calvin, here.
Go ahead and get on.
Look at me, dude.
Yeah. That would be cool. We're here. Watch your head. Lấy cái tay con vịn ở trên đó để không có đụng vô đâu. Like there's a hook here.
Let's be very careful. It's coming. Careful, be very careful. Because they flew this helicopter. There's a button that you press, it will start flying and we're gonna go off.
Kids love this stuff too.
All right, buddy. We are out of time, okay? We're out of time.
This little tail section, this rear section.
Is this like anything that like they use like in war, like dropping troops and stuff like that?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? What helicopter they use like dropping troops into the battlefront?
The Chinook, the Osprey.
The Osprey? Chinook is, I see Chinook like
I don't think the
carrying like helicopters and other like maybe even tanks and trucks and stuff for repair, like moving equipments across the land.
I don't think is it Iroquois still in service?
Iroquois? I have no idea. I don't know any names. Well, except for Chinook. What are we looking at here?
Chaff dispenser. That's where they.
Draft dispenser, provision for draft dispenser.
Module that they is hooked on.
Yeah, I know nothing about it. It's like a hook for something to latch onto. Sometimes there's an exhaust, I guess. Is that what you call it? Exhaust for the engine? We should ask the professionals here. Is this the aileron? Is it? Huh? Elevator? Is that what you call it? What is it called again? Elevator? I didn't know this is it. I didn't know I didn't know this thing has an elevator. Raise. What does it say? Raise and lock stabilator before folding. Oh, this is foldable. Oh yeah. Okay, so this goes on the carrier. So the tail part here can be folded. I've seen it. I've been on the carrier before. Ask. Yeah, there's little thing here that we're wondering. We're wondering what they are.
$25.
Look at these. Not sure what these are. They look kind of cool. Is that foam? I see. You want some souvenir, Hui?
$95
Sharks? You want one? We used to love to buy Zippos on the carriers. They sell Zippos. We love those. Look at the kid in front.
Yeah, what was it?
This is fuel tank.
You guys jump out of this shoe.
Just for a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's the question I want to ask. This can be used to like dropping troops into battlefronts and stuff.
Yeah, so when we're not doing search and rescue, that's like there's multiple other mission sets as well. So doing that, troop transport, as you were saying.
Okay.
Combat oriented.
So the two of them are pilots, and then you guys are specialists back here.
Yeah, they are. I maintain it.
Oh, cool. What happens? So you don't have to fly it out. So you just fix something.
Yeah. Yes.
What's the name of this aircraft?
Nighthawk.
Nighthawk. Oh, cool. Did you get that one? You know it? Did you know that it's a Nighthawk? No. I thought you knew. I thought you knew. Okay, so we'll learn something now.
About a crew, 30 back home, but we also have 3 different aircraft. So
30 for 3 aircraft.
Do you have Zippos for souvenir over here?
Zippos?
Zippos, yeah, glider.
No.
Okay. Do you still have those around? Like back in the days, we used to go on the carrier and we love the zip posts.
Some, I guess some boats have them. We just don't at our command.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Is this a turbine?
I wonder if they're still bringing in carriers for tour. Like not like I haven't seen it lately.
I do not know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. Yeah, it's really cool to get on the carrier. It's really, really cool.
What's in this whole rear section?
Jet fuel.
Huh? You asking question?
Do you know what's in this whole rear section?
It might have been Jose.
Fuel tanks.
Oh yeah, that's the tank. There's a little guy. Hey, let me get on. What is it?
Stepping hook.
Huh?
Little stepping hook.
What? Oh, hook?
The stepping on.
Oh, step. Oh, the stepping. Oh, I see the stepping. Oh, I see it. Okay.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Winnie.
Okay. So. Oh, there's something over there. You want to go over there now? Huh? Okay, let's go over there. Yeah, some sort of boat, like patrol boats. Is that the type that they use in the Vietnam War, like the one that John Kerry used to ride on? You know, and John Kerry. You know John Kerry? I think he was the vice president. I think he was vice president under Obama or something. Yeah, I think it was. Is it under Obama or Clinton? I can't remember. But yeah, he was in the Vietnam War. He was doing river patrol, and I think he's got a Purple Heart or something, like some sort of medal, because I think he was attacked and something, injured. Can't remember the details, but I wonder if this is the type of thing that what he was on. Okay, so here's the craft that I was talking about. U.S. Navy. Hello there. Is this like a patrol craft? Like would it be like something that John Kerry was on during the Vietnam War?
So it was JFK was actually on board one of the patrol crafts. Like not this one, but he was part of the Marines, which is where we stemmed from.
Oh, John Kennedy, huh? John Kennedy. Wow.
John Fitzgerald.
John F. Kennedy. Okay. Thank you. Did you hear that way? So you're right. You mentioned Kennedy. I didn't know anything about that. Okay. Can we get on this? Oh, we can get on there. There's a ladder. You want to get on there? And then it's kind of small, but I don't know. It's up to you. You don't want to get on? Huh? Oh, you closed. Oh, that's right. What time was it that you closed? 3:30? 3 o'clock. Oh, there's a lady. Okay, so yeah, the lady just said that it's closed already, so we can look from afar. can't get on. Okay. Almost forgot about that. Let's get over here. Hello there.
That's an interesting device. What is that?
It's a camera, but it has a built-in what do they call those? Like gyroscope?
Okay.
Yeah.
A stabilizer.
Yeah, it's a three-way stabilizer. So like if I do this, like it's still stabilized.
Oh,
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's really cool, right? Yeah, it's amazing how they pack all these technology into a tiny
Right?
device. Souvenirs here?
We have t-shirts for sale, $20 cash.
Okay. Do you have Zippos?
No.
Stickers? Are
Those
these
are
stickers?
my personal stickers. They are not for sale.
Oh, my son, when he was little, he loved stickers. We have like a huge sticker collection. He would. All right, well, thank you.
Okay.
You have a good day.
you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
They will take you in to try to survive. Yeah, their brain isn't working anymore. Or, you know, whatever. Yeah, it's been a long time. By the way, this I carry this everywhere. Duct tape. It's brilliant. It's nice to see it everywhere. Like I was looking over the helicopter.
It was busy for a bit, right?
What is that interesting thing you're handling?
This is an underwater glider.
Underwater glider. For scientific research type of thing?
Yeah, it's a research.
Applied Physics Laboratory. Oh, you're up. Oh, there you are. You see anything interesting on the other side? No? Oh, darn it, yeah. You do you have one in the car? In the Corolla? Okay.
These are the Canadians over here.
So there's some Canadian. What was it? Canadian what? Coast Guard? The Canadian Navy. Okay. That one I know is the U.S. because I see U.S. flag.
I see the little Canadian leaf.
You want to walk over there? You want to walk over there?
Yeah, why?
You want to walk over to the destroyer?
Sure, but I was just wondering why they have the flag, US flag.
Oh, oh yeah, Canadian with the U.S. flags on it. Maybe we should ask.
We went to offshore to Chicago,
Okay.
which is an air show.
Oh, did you see the air show here?
Yeah.
They did? Okay. Yeah, they're still doing it. I saw they had the big one flying around.
Yeah. Big vertical.
I'd never seen them.
Thank you and safe travel.
Thank you. You guys fly safe. Pretty good. Have a good night.
Hi, can we still get to the other side?
No. Sorry, the tours are closed for today.
Okay.
We'll be opening again tomorrow morning at about 9:30.
Okay.
But there's going to be a long line, so if you want to come, I'd recommend coming early.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So, yeah. So we are able to get into here, but to get to the other side, we need to come back tomorrow. All right. So I'll probably end the video here, huh? Yeah. There goes the Blue Angels, huh? You can hear the noise.